So the first video on my channel was talking about why I hated Windows 8 and why I thought that Microsoft had got it wrong. But actually, it was me who was wrong. I said how I didn't like the Metro UI on my laptop and how I actually installed Start 8 to get back the start menu functionality. I actually can't believe that I was saying that now. As you can see, I got Windows 8 running behind me, and I've got my laptop hooked up to my HD TV. And there was actually one device which made me love Windows 8. Well, two actually, and that's my HD TV and this, my Logitech keyboard and mousepad. Now, that might sound really stupid as to why those would make me love Windows 8, but it really isn't. On my laptop, it wasn't an old laptop, but the trackpad, you couldn't use gestures on it. You couldn't do two-fingered scrolling or pinch to zoom or anything like that. It was basically optimised for a desktop environment. And I saw a video of somebody actually talking about the life of Windows 8, and he was using the gestures really well, and I got interested. So I decided, right, I need to try and use Windows 8 with a trackpad which can utilise the gestures. So I went down to my local PC World store and I bought the Logitech wireless keyboard, and it has a trackpad included on it. So I started using that on my laptop, and it didn't feel right with my laptop. I felt like I should just be using the keys on the laptop and everything. Then it just came to me, why don't I connect it up to my HD TV? There's an HDMI port on my laptop, so why not? So, connected it up, started using the keyboard and the trackpad, and I fell in love. Seriously, Windows 8 is a fantastic operating system. The best version of Windows that Microsoft have ever made. And I can't believe the people who actually hate it. Because it's so simple to use. It's so intuitive once you actually know how to utilise everything. I just love it. It's by far my favourite desktop operating system, and I am calling it a desktop operating system because it can run on PCs. Currently I'm actually thinking about replacing my iPad 2 with a Surface RT, because I know that people are criticising the Surface with Windows RT just because of the desktop and everything, but actually that's something that I really like, because there's no tablet that can do that. I mean, I love the idea of being able to connect a USB flash drive and get things over to my tablet like that. I love that. And I think that was a really good move from Microsoft. Also, I love the idea with the touch cover and everything. And overall, I'm just really enjoying Windows 8. So, I've got a huge amount of respect for Microsoft now. And I spoke about how I'm thinking about getting the Surface RT, and also I currently have an iPhone 4. Now this runs fine and I'm happy with it, but I know that next year when the new iPhone comes out, that's going to stop getting updates, and I'm tied into a contract until 2014. I want updates for my phone. So I'm thinking about getting a new phone, and honestly I'm thinking about a Windows phone, because I love the thought of having everything look the same. I mean, my tablet with the modern UI, my computer with the modern UI, and my phone with the modern UI, and it's a fantastic design. I've got no criticism for the design of the modern UI at all. So that's my experience with Windows 8 now. I don't use my laptop as a laptop, and that sounds pretty stupid, I know, but I just find that it works much better with my TV. Yeah, that does sound stupid. With my TV and the wireless keyboard and the trackpad. And it gives me a wonderful experience of Windows 8. And I just can't believe how wrong I was in my last video. I'm gushing about Windows 8, if I'm honest. And that might sound pathetic, but I don't care. Because Windows 8 is a fantastic operating system. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you'll like it and you'll subscribe to my channel, and see you again soon.